Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change the font size of your text in Microsoft Teams. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that you need to do is to open the Microsoft app either on your desktop app or in your browser. Once logged in, on the left panel, make sure that you're in the chat panel and then choose the chat box or chat conversation that you want to edit your font size. Then, once you're inside, go to the bottom right and click on this icon right here. And then, click on Show Formatting option. After that, you're going to click on this icon and then you can choose whether the font size you want is small, medium, and large. To test it, I'm going to choose large here and then you can type the message like you normally do. Enter to test it. And then I'm going to change it again to small. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!